guys, it's me, Christinamariebeauty. I am at the pig roast here at the Mountain Spring Saloon. It is in Las Vegas, Nevada, going towards Pahrump. At the end of the month, they always have this pig roast. It is absolutely amazing. Some of the best barbecue that you can find here in Las Vegas. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some videos of this place. It is very unusual. It has like a Texas feel to it. For my Texas fans out there that love barbecue, you will love this place. It's outdoors. It's cooler than Las Vegas, and it's absolutely a lot of fun. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do enjoy this video, push that thumbs up, the like button, and the subscribe button. This is who I am with, and everybody is playing, what is that, horseshoes right now. Are you ready to eat heaven?
Yes.
This is heaven.
That's a lot.
Thank
you.
No problem. While you're silverware and condiments.
Oh, thank you.
We are doing the raffle right now. You guys can see. I won $50.
Ahora sí, get ready to lose. Chances fueron suficientes.
About this mountain. So the other thing about that Mountain Spring Saloon is that they have another restaurant in the back here, which I'm gonna walk and show you guys this other restaurant, which is absolutely fabulous. So the saloon usually doesn't carry food. They tell people to go to the back here and get their order or order their food. These people have food like every day of the week. The saloon, on the other hand, actually just hosts the one event a month at the end of the month where it's called the pig roast. But let me kind of show you guys where I'm walking and what it looks like. The restaurant in the back. It's called Hot Bob's Barbecue. Absolutely amazing food. I mean, like the best barbecue I have tried since I lived in Texas. And this guy makes the absolute best burgers and pulled pork sandwiches. Amazing.
Pork, smoked burgers, tri-tip, of course my ribs,
Oh yeah.
and also have steak specials on occasion too.
And this is the menu. Look back here. Yeah, beautiful. So at the entrance when you walk in, they have this putt-putt golf that you can actually play miniature golf. If you guys are ever coming towards Pahrump or just want to get out of the city, that's actually kind of just 20 minutes down the street. It's the actual city of Las Vegas. You want to get to a place where it's like nice and serene, family friendly and fun. Don't let it intimidate you that it's a biker bar, because honestly, these are the most friendliest people you're going to come across, and everybody is so welcoming and they're just lovely. And the food is amazing, amazing. If you guys enjoyed this video, once again, please give this video a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christinamariebeauty. I'm out. Bye.
Are you guys still over there?
This is the view.
It's beautiful.
Yep. When you're leaving the saloon. This is the view when you're leaving the saloon. Okay, so we're following the bikers to the bar, to the Mountain Spring
doors the other way.
Shoot, I lost my train of thought.
Pulled pork.
No, roast, pig roast.
Yeah, pulled
Pig roast. Guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am at the pig roast.